Let's go!
Now let's get started. First step, you're going to walk one foot forward, the other one, then the third one, then the fourth one goes out, that same foot goes back, 2, 3, and then the fourth one is out. One more time, up, 2, 3, like a crosswalk, step out, back, 2, 3, crosswalk, step out. Great job. Second step, we're going to take that same foot out and in and then bounce, knee bends twice. Same thing on the other side, out, in, bounce, bounce twice. One more time. Let's put it together. Crosswalk and out, back walk and out, crosswalk, out, back, 2, 3 and out. Now same leg goes out, in, bounce, bounce, out, in, bounce, bounce. Good job. Now let's learn the single, single, double. Take the foot out on one side, followed by the other side one step, and the opposite side 2 steps. It's more like a drag walk, step and 2 steps, dragging the other foot. One more time, step and step, 2 steps, or you can say single, single, double. Good job. And now let's do it fast. Single, single, double. You can freestyle your arms. Single, single, double. Good job. Let's move to the next step. We're going to step forward, clap, step back, take our hands up. Again, forward and tap with the clap, back, up. Good job. And then you're going to step in the center, shake your hips from side to side 4 times with hands behind your head. One more time. Tap forward, clap, back, up, jump, swing, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's learn the chorus step. We're going to take small jumps forward, lightly on the floor, hands spread across. Let's show you how. Lightly, don't make it heavy, or you can just walk if you have a problem in jumping. Small jumps. One more time. Now with your hands, frame your face with your elbows and flip and flop as you jump forward. Flip, jump, flop, jump, flip, jump, flop, jump. 4 times. Good. Do the same move on the back. Good job. Now I'm going to show you the whip step. You're going to stagger your foot and sit down with your knees bending and make your hands crack the whip. Jump up, crack the whip 4 times and jump back with that flip-flop arm and you're all set to go.
Let's go!